Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like to eat really amazing food without a lot of fuss and muss that goes along with it, then you are definitely going to want to hit that subscribe button, because that's what we do here. And today we are making sauteed vegetables that are perfect for losing weight and weight loss, because not only are they healthy and delicious made this way, but you are not going to believe how easy it is. You can do this with any fibrous vegetable. I'm going to show you how with celery, but you can do this with bell peppers, zucchini, broccoli, cabbage, just about any veggie, but not tomatoes. Tomatoes are too juicy. Celery is so good this way. It's tender but crisp with a light, buttery lemon flavor that's nothing like raw celery. First, wash your celery. 1 stalk or 2 per person usually does it. Then chop the celery or whatever vegetable you want into small bite-sized pieces. Next, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the celery. Sprinkle in a little salt and let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, sauteing is all about using a high heat with low fat. So you really want to watch and make sure that your celery or your vegetable is starting to brown before you move it around. And that's it. Only 3 ingredients, less than 5 minutes, and you've got an awesome side dish that goes great with just about everything. If you really want to kick it up a notch, give it a squeeze of lemon and maybe a bit of parsley. You are going to love this, with or without the lemon and parsley, because the celery just has those high notes and it's completely different than raw celery. So go to the store, check out your produce aisle, pick any vegetable you want to try this with, and let me know what you think. And until then, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, stick around, watch some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.